Hello everyone, this is BBA Course Mr. Batch, and we are on with one additional course which is known as Diploma in Customer Service. This particular course is popularly also known as Extensive Customer Service Training or Intensive Customer Service Training. This is an add-on course which is provided to the students of BBA and BCom faculty. And in this particular course, we teach the practicals, the basic, the insights of business management. How exactly you run a business, how exactly a business can be started, what is customer service, what is marketing, what is selling, how exactly the practical aspects of selling, how exactly the selling is done, the practical aspects of selling are taught to the students, and that is what we do in this particular class. So now I would like to get some feedback of the students, and I would also like to check what exactly did they understand. So first of all, I'll come to you. Keep the microphone with you. Right. What is your name?
Sir, my name is Akriti.
Akriti, what did you learn in this particular class?
Sir, basically Diploma in Customer Service teaches us how we can handle our customer at the workplace, especially when we are involved in the customer relationship management service. So we are learning here what is the difference between customer and consumer, how we can give the good services to the customer, what are the fundamental principles for the servicing the customer, etc.
So I asked a question because you have said that you have learned a lot of things.
Yes.
What is the difference between customer and consumer? Can you tell me that?
Yes, a customer is especially one who is buying or selling who is buying the product for the use, and consumer is one who is consuming the product to himself or herself, etc.
All right. So I just want to ask you, can you just tell me something about what is the basic principles of customer service?
So there are mainly three basic principles to serve the customer. First one is satisfy the basic need of the customer. Second one is the stick to the agenda which customer is expecting from you. And third one is the meet the expectation of the customer where the customer is what the customer wants from you especially. Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you so much, Akriti.
Thank you, sir.
Great. Thank you so much. So you learned that the students are learning also, and we are starting because we have just completed diploma in customer. We have just completed the customer service module, and we are on with marketing and selling, and rest things are to be yet to be followed. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you want to get the knowledge of customer service, there are several videos related to customer service on the channel of CIMAGE Group of Institutions. Do watch those things because these things are going to help anybody who is pursuing BBA course or become professional course. Thank you so much.